Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And I got another unboxing today. I am super excited. So, if you've watched my last few videos on the Asus GA502, I think the Cypress G model laptop, you probably heard me say somewhere in between that I was considering another laptop. Well. So, I was going through a little Amazon the other day, and I saw that there was a sale on that laptop, and I was like, you know, I got to go ahead and check that bad boy out because $400 off is $400 off. So I'm going to link it in the description below. Please check it out because if you're considering buying this laptop, hey, if that sale's still going, get it. And if that sale's not going, this bad boy looking pretty good. So as you guys know, this is going to be a laptop on the, check it out, boom, Acer Triton 500. Now, this is not your typical unboxing because I couldn't resist. I already went ahead and unboxed it. But let me show you guys real quick how this comes. So, check this bad boy out. This is the box itself. Pretty big box right here. You see that? But the packaging on this thing is phenomenal. They did a really good job packaging this bad boy up. So inside the box, you're also going to get something like this. This right here is where you house your power brick, your charger, and all that other stuff. And then, check this out. Then, the laptop comes in something like this. Slim, sleek, really freaking cool with the unboxing experience that Acer put together. Now, Asus's boxing experience was okay. It kind of felt like pieces were just put in the box. Now, granted, you are spending a lot more money. Well, I should say a lot more money. A little bit more money because at this point with these sales for the Acer Triton 500. But kudos to Acer. I've never owned an Acer product before for this kind of quality of an unboxing experience. I'm not going to show you guys the power brick. It's just a standard looking power brick. It doesn't look any much bigger than Asus's power brick. So, about this laptop, I'm really not going to show much about it. I'm going to open it up, show you guys a little bit, but I will leave that for the next video. I want this video to just be a quick little show of how this laptop looks. And it is really nice. As you guys can see right there, these vents, man, this stuff is actually really cool. Like, I don't know why, but I like it. Here's the side. So you got some ports, some more vents, USB Type-C, mini display port. Look at that other side right there. So we've got HDMI, Ethernet, standard USB. And then with this laptop, this configuration is the, let's see, 16 gigabyte model. This is the RTX 2060. 6 gigabytes of VRAM. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's 6. You're also getting a 144 hertz panel. So coming from the Asus, which was 120, it's 144. I think this is perfect. Future proof. I'm super excited about that. Just scrolling, it's butter. Butter. What else do we have? 500 gigabyte SSD drive, or whatever, solid state drive, slim, thin, premium quality. I'll tell you this much. I think this is actually supposed to be lighter than the Zephyrus G, but it feels a little denser. It feels a little heavier because the quality. I mean, this metal or whatever, this chassis is just so well built. It just feels good. And that was my first impression. Right when I pulled it out of the box, I was like, wow, this actually feels really good. Like, so far, no creakings, no noises like I got with the G model. Now, granted, price difference, but I bought this for $1,499 US. Retails for $1,799 US. And right now, I would have bought it just off of early impressions. No gameplay yet. Just downloading Steam and messing around with this. I would have bought this at $1,799. I was considering it. I didn't buy it. I decided to try the Zephyrus G model with that AMD chip. This is going with Intel CPU inside. Again, I'll link this in the description below so you guys can click it and read more about it. But right now, impressions are top notch. I absolutely love the way this looks. Now, granted, I know you guys right now can't really see much, but this just feels good. The bezels look and feel thin. The refresh rate matters. You got 3-zone RGB keyboard. So you can't customize all the keys, but you can customize in 3 different zones. You got vents up here, speakers also, vents on the side, vents on the back. Nothing's creaking. And just to reiterate right here, this is a 4.6 pound, or it's either 4.6 or 4.4 pound. I think it's 4.4 pound laptop, 17.9 millimeter thin. What we got? We got an 81.3 screen to body ratio, which is fantastic. This is overclockable, so I am pretty much a gaming PC noob, but for those of you out there, there's actually a dedicated button right here on the top, which you can click, and then it goes into overclockable, and you can customize it from there. And then you've got 3 milliseconds of anti-ghosting overdrive response time for the monitor. And then they've got killer DualShock Pro. So if you're plugged into Ethernet and Wi-Fi, it's going to figure out which one's the best for you and utilize that one. So a lot of cool stuff. It's got a built-in webcam. I'm super excited about this laptop, way more than I was for the G, for the Zephyrus G model. So let me know in the comment section below if you're also excited about this laptop, or what laptop do you currently use? What are you excited about that's coming out? And let's get that comment section flowing. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's Nando. Peace, salute, adios. And hey guys, don't forget to stay geeky like always.